Kekenhuan kebakan angut juga meli kaseng kongres apa kajelam jok Dr. Mukul Sangma kala mino mentakasi na kaseng kongres ban pemana haka bakila tau no ya kaseng Trinamool kongres apa Meghalaya. Ya kanila pemana haka arusan tarik unai bieng arajar arhuai dau Dr. Mukul Sangma rengkat kejadon langru ki emani na pak kasi jang hills kebakan tup ya ubah Charles Pengrop ubah Himalaya Sang Pliang ubah George Lengdo bat ki dia ki emali. Dakani ke jingmi no jekini ki kan arngot kaseng kongres menta kadon setang hendrengut ki milih hakayung do bar thau an ke badan hendru fongut ki khot Dr. Mukul Sangma habakan begla patai khobor ula ong baka jingmi no kajok u rengkat bagi pat ki milih na kaseng kongres kadai namar bakani kaseng wala kalong kaseng ke baklan tam hakan yang persya handai kam semana le pat iki benta ki babun haban yakun persya ya ke sarkar kam tam e ban yang yele yaki bor sensyar jangan ke sarkar ke bameta ke bala pendik pak bala penjar subun ki pat ba haka ni kajelang dalam Dr. Mukul Sangma ro ula ong bau kwa bandon haka parti len haka seng kebayar haka leng kijaka jongkare India kenang melak menyedek persya yang ni ke sarkar ke pemerintah Dr. Mukul Sangma ula ong ru bahadir ke jong election ajar khat para nakaliang jong u kata nakaliang keseng kongres kala persyang menyedek kalbala ban yele yaki isu jong kepak ba andai kemsim nala ban ai
long drawn exercise to get things corrected. To get things corrected in order to enable all of us to be able to optimally utilize our potentialities and do justice to the position and space that we occupy in public. As opposition in Meghalaya, you must appreciate one fact, that as opposition, we have definitely responded to our call of duty. We have not failed in our responsibility. But as a national party, you are also required to see, as a party, as a team, where are you? Are you really being able to respond to your call of duty after having the mandate as an opposition across the nation? And how do we respond to that? Now, since we belong to the same family, that's why it's a matter of concern for all of us. We are equally responsible towards our failure or otherwise as public leaders.
Aku juga poru ulapan pau bakadon kajing temu naki parti ki baper ban tu lan banyalam no yaki ameni jika sang kongres chaki wipat kiseng.
It's a culmination of long drawn exercise. Now, exercise towards achieving what? We have a role to play. We have committed to the people of the state and people of the nation. What did we commit? To fight against any force that threaten our very existence, that threaten our cohesive, inclusive character of our democracy, where you see the divisive forces becoming stronger and stronger. Is anybody fighting hard, or are they using kids' glove? We can't fight with kids' glove. We have to be determined. We have to take our political opponent hats on, because that's what people expect. We can't just have lip service. Therefore, if you look at the culmination of this whole exercise, ultimately directed towards a political party which share the same objective of fighting against the divisive forces. And tell me any other political party, if there is any, in the state. Do we have NPP? They are part of the team. It's amazing that they sometimes speak against each other. But aren't they same? What is NPP-led government? It's a government installed by BJP. And people of the state must understand one thing. BJP leadership knows it fully well that people of the state of Meghalaya, the electorates, are not going to be inclined to vote and support BJP for the reasons best known to all of us. And therefore, they're smart. They have created regional parties who are their B team, and they are effectively, very efficiently operating through this modus operandi. So we don't feel that the people of Meghalaya will not know it. We will keep on telling, we will keep on reminding the people of the state and also the people of the region.
Aman kalau hang ni bakani kajing mino jong Dr. Mukul Sangma na kaseng kongres kalong hadin baka All India Congress Committee kalau thong yau ba Vincent Pala kum presiden bathamai jong kam Meghalaya Pradesh Congress Committee. Nadu ketika po na kalong Dr. Mukul Sangma ulapan pau kajing bam sobha satya namar baka All India Congress Committee kamsim la kanjok tin ne kamsim la wat jingmut lang na u hakabathong ya u hedu ya kaseng Congress hapo Meghalaya.